Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox this limited collection from PubMart, and we have these additional blind boxes from Skull Panda. So I'm so excited to share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Let me start with these three blind boxes from the Skull Panda You Found Me series, and I have these three blind boxes. So let me show you the lineup. They have six confirmed lineup here and one secret. And what I really like about this collection is it is not just a plush pendant, but it is actually a mini bag where you can put something inside like an earphone, or you can use this one as an coin purse, or you can put your charger here. That's what I believe with this series. So I really like to get darkness here. I want to see the chomp and the sneaky chestnut as well. So let's see. I'm going to open this one at the bottom part, and let's see if we are able to get our what's called this one, our priorities. So this is the packaging of this plush pendant. They don't have a like a branding of Skull Panda. It's just a typical packaging or foil of Pop Mart. So let's see. Our first mini plush bag. One, two, three. Oh, this one is red. Okay, this is cute. Very fluffy. I'm not sure if this is like, yeah, you can hang this one on your bag because they have this ring pendant here. And what we have here, by the way, we got one, two, three, the champ. You found me. I actually like the art card. It's very hard, very looks premium. It's a very different card um from the other Skull Panda that I have, or the one that I unboxed before. This one's very thick paper, very nice one. So as I've said, you can use this one as a coin purse because there's a zipper here. Like, yeah, you can put a lot here. Like, you can use this one as a coin purse. Put your earphone case here or your earphone. And you have this champ face here. It's embroidered stitches of Skull Panda. And there's some stitches of this like a scary monster here on the side. And at the back, there's a branding of Skull Panda. Skull Panda with the silver stitches. I actually like this one. You cannot just hang this one on your bag, but this is very useful. So yeah, this is our first plush mini bag from You Found Me series of Skull Panda. What can you say about this one, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, if you can see, I rearranged my background so that we can hang this plush mini bag of Skull Panda, and you can just easily see them at the background. And I removed the plush pendant of Dimu and Skull Panda from the Factory series. So let me proceed with the second box. Oops. So this one's not just hard to unbox, and it's so easy. Oops. So this is our second figure or second mini plush bag. One, two, three. Oh, we got the Frankie Peanut. Yeah, I guess this is the Frankie Peanut because of the embroidered stitches of the peanut here, if you can see. And I actually like this one. This one is much better or much softer than the other one that we unboxed. And I like how uh, cool the color brown here. And yeah, I just noticed that the zebra has this branding of Pop Mart here. And you can open this one. There's a tag of the Pop Mart inside. And then again, this is so very useful and it's so fluffy. It's very soft fabric. I like this one. I actually like this one better than the other one. This one you can use this one like this is quite a unisex type. That one is much more on a girly type. Um yeah, this is one's cool. I like the helmet ball of Skull Panda here. There's some like scary monster on the side with the stitches of a bronze color. Very cool. I like this one. I like this one better than the other one. So let me show you the art card first. Okay. We got the Prunky Peanut. Again, I really like the art card. Very thick. What can you say about Prunky Peanut of Skull Panda mini bag? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our last box of Skull Panda You Found Me. And let me give you a recap first. We got Chomp and we got Frankie Peanut. So I just hope to get Darkness. I really like to get Darkness. Or Sneaky Chestnut. Because this one looks like a gray one or a brown as well. So let's see. Oops. Okay. Our last mini flashback from Skull Panda is one, two, three. Yeah! We got, let me show you the art card. Sneaky Chestnut. I like the art card. Very nice. So this is Sneaky Chestnut. They have the same fiber or fabric of Chomp. It's like a fur of a dog. Yeah. The color of chestnut. And you can see the stitches of chestnut here. This one is so cool. It looks like the fur of an animal. Like this poodle dog. This is the back part. It really looks premium, guys. It's worth the money. I can say that. So this is the zipper. It has a chestnut color with a Pop Mart branding. This is what's inside. Very useful. Well, I like better this one because the softness of the fabric. This one likes a fur of an animal to me. So yeah, I like better the Prunky Peanut better than the Sneaky Chestnut. But if you like this one, guys, please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with Molly, a collaboration with Trolls. I'm a fan of Trolls, guys. So when I got this one, I was so happy and so excited because they collaborated with Molly. And if you can see, this is Puppy, guys, on the side of the box. Very nice, very cute. If you are a fan of Troll, you will definitely like this one as well. So this is Molly on the other side. Ah, very nice, very pink. If you are a good collector or a serious collector, you will definitely like this one. So let me show you and unbox this one and free Molly inside of this box. Oops. Let me set aside the box. And oh, there's an art card here. Okay, cool. Let me show you first the art card. So this is the art card. It's very big. DreamWorks Troll. I really like the artwork. They really did a very good job incorporating Molly with trolls or Puppy. So this is Molly. This is Puppy of Troll. Very cool. So let me show you now the figure itself. It has this blister pack to secure and protect the item. Oops. Set aside that one. Let me show you all the inclusion first. So this is the stand. It's green. It's like a grass with these leaves or sprouting plants. Molly has this headband of this Like we had with a flower design. I'm not sure what kind of flower is this one. Daisy flower. So let me put this one here first and remove all the plastic. Oh, nice. I actually like this one. Very cool. This is like 200%, I believe. I'm not sure what kind of instrument this one. Some kind of the guitar. I'm not familiar with this string instrument, but this is the closed up of face of Molly here. It really reminds me of Puppy because of these freckles on her cheeks, but it really shows you um the branding of Molly, which is the mole on the side of her eyes with the pouty lips. She's really so pink here, very puppy. Even the hair is so pink. What I like about this one is they use a 3D print of of the hair of Molly on the bangs, but there's this synthetic fiber of the hair. It's very soft with this uh, rubber band to pull up or to tie the hair of Molly. The hair is so soft, guys. Synthetic hair, but it's so soft. I'm not sure if you can tilt the head of Molly. It's not. I really like this one. Very cool. Let me put her on the stand. So you can stand Molly here like she's doing a rock and roll vibe. And let me put headband of Molly. How should I put this one? Maybe like this. Uh-oh. I'm not sure. Maybe on the top of the head only. I don't like to. Oh, okay. Just like this. Very nice. She's so pretty here. A very cool figure. This is one of a kind. It's a limited collection. And it's a collaboration with Trolls. You will definitely love this one if you are a Troll fan. Very nice one. It's a good quality material. I like the dress of Molly here. How they hand painted or spray painted this one with some design of the flower on the dress. What can you say about this one, guys? You will definitely like this one. A very nice collection, an added collection for your Molly. So if you like Molly, collaboration with Trolls, Puppy, I guess this is Puppy. Let me know your thoughts down below. So let's proceed with Dimu, the Gentleman series 1/8 action figure. So I decided to get the full set because I don't like to get a duplicate from this lineup. Because in this series they only have these two, which is the Ballroom Gentleman. This is the Ballroom Gentleman and the Preppy Gentleman. So they don't have a secret here. So you will definitely or I will definitely get these two. That's why I decided to get the full set because yeah, I want to collect Demo now. This is my very first time to collect a 1/8 action figure of Demu. If you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed the Molly 1/8 figure, which is the Molly Moon. So this will be an added collection to my 1/8 action figure. So let me set aside the first box first, first box first, and let me show you the artwork or the illustration of this box, the packaging of Demu. You will get the full box of Demu and there's a two boxes inside of the mother box. So in this two figure, I like to see actually the ballroom gentleman better than preppy gentleman, but I don't like them to, you know, just to unbox one only. So I decided to get two. But I wanna see first the ballroom gentleman. And let's see if the actual figure will be better than the illustration. So yeah, Dimu, Dimu to you. This is what on the other side of this box. So let's see. And let me free Dimu here now. I'm so excited to see what it looks like in an actual figure. They have this very big box. Oops. It has also this. Oh, we got the Ballroom Gentleman as first. Okay. It has this hard plastic protector as well. Let me show you. Yeah. I told you it's so beautiful. Very nice one. Okay. Where's Puppy? Let me put Puppy here. Oh, this one is so beautiful. Okay. It has a lot of inclusions. I will carefully remove Demo first. Wow. This one is so cute. The hands, you can move the hands. You can tilt everything. Even the feet. Look. I really like the dress of Demo here. It has a good quality stitching. Look at the back of this what you call this outfit. It's very medieval outfit. It's gamuza finish. It's blue and white. Dimu looks very expensive here. Looks very rich, an old rich guy. And the head is so big. And if you can see the eyes of Dimu here, guys, if touched by the light, it's so shimmery inside of this pupil. The pupil of the and you can move the eyes of Dimu here, guys. Look, you can move the eyes like this. There are so much glitter on the eyes, very shimmery. Unlike I like the butterfly like pin on the dress of Dimu. Yeah, let me put all the inclusion first. Dimu has these shoes. I'm not just so sure but why Dimu has different socks here. One small white socks and this one long checkered socks. Let me put the shoes of Dimu. A very gentleman vibe, very cute, and also the shoes is so nice. It has a good quality. It's rubber with such with small details of gold. Look, let me show you, and let's see if Dimu can stand properly like this because the head is so heavy. Oops! Oh, told you. I'm not sure if he can stand properly. Like he's so heavy. Dimu, stand. Okay, so he can stand properly. And Dimu has this bolero cup. It's so heavy, it's so full, it's so chunky. Let me show you. There's some details of a golden rose and as an accent with this blue hat. And I believe this is magnetized. If you can see, it has a shimmery finish. And let me put the hat of Dimu. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is magnetized, guys. Yeah, it is. Look, it's magnetized here. It's a very strong magnet. Very nice one. I actually like this one. Very cool. Oops. But the head is so heavy. And Dimu don't stand properly. You have to fix the feet like this so that he can stand properly because yeah, like that. And I'm not sure if there's an art card with this one. Yeah, there's an art card. So this is the art card. Certificate of Authenticity. Demo Gentleman Series 1/8 action figure. There's no date for the issue date. So this is the artwork. Ballroom Gentleman. Very cool figure. I really like the eyes. The actual figure is better than the artwork. It's very cool. You can move the eyes of Demu like this. Very cool one. And they have these extra hands here. There are some extra hands here. I'm not just going to remove this one. But yeah, you can change the hands of Demu if you can see. So the hands is removable, I believe. Like, I'm just not so sure how to remove the hands of Demu here. I'm afraid that I might destroy the figure, but let's see. Maybe next time I'm going to check or remove the hands. So this is Demu, the ballroom gentleman. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our second Demu gentleman. We will definitely get Preppy Gentleman. So let's unbox this one now. And let's compare which one is better and which one is much more handsome with these two Demu. And we have Puppy Molly as their muse for today's vlog. So let's see. Oh, okay. So this is the art card of Preppy Gentleman. Very nice. So let's proceed now with this figure. When I unbox this one now, I see that this one is much better than the other one, and I like this one better than the ballroom one. Or maybe I like the colors, the color combination of Preppy. So this is the shoes. It's a brown shoes, and there's a white strings. Very cute one. Let me set aside this one, and let me remove Dimu with this. Yeah, let me remove the beret first and show you the face of Dimu. I actually like this one. I like this better than the other one, I guess. Maybe because I like the outfit of Dimu. Very preppy. And there's some brush, rose brush on the dress of Dimu. Very preppy vibe. And I just noticed that the short of Dimu is a leather material. Very nice. They use an actual leather here, I guess. And the stitches of the dress is so nice. It has a good quality stitching. Look, guys. You can remove this vest of Dimu. And the inner shirt is a pink one. And it's a nice one. It's a nice dress of Dimu, guys. I like the stitching. Very good quality. The details of the vest. It's so nice. And the brush of Dimu here, the rose brush, is so cool. I like the color combination of this one. And even the eyes of Dimu. It's light blue. And you can move this one. It matches with the pink hair of Dimu. This is the back side. And Dimu has these white socks. And let me put the shoes of Dimu. It matches the outfit of Dimu. Actually, they have different vibe and different, personality. They matches together, but maybe I like this one better than the other one because of the pastel color that they use with Dimu here. It's just so hard to stand Dimu. And they have this beret, and this one is so cute. Like, you can put this one on the top of Dimu. Very nice outfit. He looks so very handsome here. Very cute one. And there's some butterfly here. Look, there's a butterfly here. I'm not so sure where should I put this one. Is it magnetized as well? Let me check the art card so that I can see where I'm going to put this butterfly. Oh, you can put the butterfly on the rose design of Demo's head. Yes, just like this. And it's so cute. Very cute one. What can you say about this figure, guys? It has also these different uh, hands of Demo here as an additional accessories. So, so this is Preppy, Gentleman Preppy. Gentleman Preppy? Yeah, Preppy Gentleman. And we have this Ballroom Gentleman. Let me stand there side by side so that you can see which one is better for you or which one do you really like. But I like Preppy Gentleman better. Maybe because the outfit, like something that I can wear. Maybe the color is very pastel, though they are both handsome here. They have different vibe or different personality, but I like this one better. But they are much with each other. They look good together. So I'm not sure if you can put the butterfly also here. Maybe not. So what can you say about this preppy gentleman or Dimu gentleman, guys? You like the ballroom gentleman or preppy gentleman? Let me know your comments down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's quick vlog. As you can see, I rarely open 1/8 action figures, but I'm so happy that these three are very good quality figures that I can add on to my collection because I had my Molly Moon 1/8 action figure before, if you watch my previous vlog. And I really like them all, especially the Preppy Gentleman of Dimu. Though I like also the Ballroom Gentleman, but the Preppy Gentleman reminds me of my personality, or like I can wear the outfit of Preppy Gentleman Dimu here because the other one is so medieval. And then again, I really like the collaboration of Molly to Trolls, which is the Poppin. If you watch the Troll or if you are a fan of Troll, you will definitely love this one. For those Skull Panda that we unboxed for today's vlog, I really like the Frankie Peanut because of the softness of the fabric. But if you have other favorites from what I unboxed for today's vlog, you are free to comment down below. And if you had fun watching this one, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. If you have a request that you want me to unbox in the future, you are free to comment down below. So I hope guys you had fun watching this. And then once again, thanks for watching. Bye!